Hello friends, as you are seeing, this one is very premium area. This is Shanti Nagar, Masab Tank. If you go straight from that road, you will find Masab Tank. Just you are seeing that particular road, main road, that is Masab Tank circle. And if you come from there, that side straight, this is Shanti Nagar. And the site I am showing you, this is the starting site. It is having 3 flats. Particular in this particular land would be 3 flats. One is 3 BHK, one is 2 BHK, one is 3 BHK, one is 4 BHK and 4 BHK. Total 3 flats are there on each floor. 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 4 BHK. Okay. And it is on pre-booking. Pre-booking person is having very good price in pre-booking. See the income tax tower, that one is. Okay, and this is the corner plot, so it is having that road also and this road also. Okay, and it is on the main road, no other road is substitute to that. Okay friends, see the area. I will show you the area. This one is the area. 2504 is 4 BHK, 2113 is 3 BHK and 2508 is 4 BHK. These are the area of this flat, sir. And in amenities, on terrace he is giving gym, playing zone, and in the ground floor they are giving children's play area. These are the amenities. CCTV, intercom and all amenities are available in this project. As all people are asking about the area which is near to the city, and this is the heart of the city, this particular area is. I will show you the detail of amenities in this particularly. The detail of amenities is over here. The gym is there, elevator, security system, power backup, landscaping, game zone, intercom, children's play area. Okay, and elevation also I will show you, friends. This will be the elevation. So this is very good venture, sir. It is going to complete in 18 months. Within 18 months the venture is going to totally will complete it. Okay, so whoever want to book, they will get very good price. It's pre-booking price offer. Right, thank you. As you all know, friend, in this particular premium area, the flat won't exist till it get completed. In the starting stage only, most of the flat get books in this particular premium areas. So this is the starting stage of the flat. So, and in the starting stage only, the first floor is already booked in this, and third floor is booked in this. Second and fourth and fifth is available. So you can see the demand and perspective of availability in this particular area. So whoever wants, you can contact immediately for the booking, so that within 18 months you will get the flat.